Good morning, one and all. My name is Chinmai. I am from Laurel High Global School, studying 9th class. So today my topic is education and career. Education is education. Education is the way in which we learn knowledge. The knowledge that we learn should be useful for us and as well as the society. So education so for example, so education and career education career is the way to education has many ways to form career. Um, for example, career should be formed by our own selves and our institution. No one should. We should not take our career depending on others. Others. Others should not force us to make our career. For example, take Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He took his intuition and became the President of India. Nowadays, in the modern society, we have many types of careers. Like whoever wants to become engineer, they can become engineer, and who has interest in doctor, they can take medicine, and who has interest in language, they can go to their favorite language. And so thank you for giving me the chance.